When it comes to tequila, I consider myself pretty much a novice. I've only really been getting into it for the last couple of years or so, and I'm just stereotypical. You know, I've been put off by bad tequilas in the past, but I started playing around with this brand, Cazcabel, mid sort of 2020, and it's really opened my eyes up to really good tequilas. I'm not saying this is the best tequila before you come at me, but it's certainly a great tequila for playing around with in cocktails. And in this cocktail, I've created a strawberry and rose kind of flip on a margarita. Now, of course, most of you know what a margarita is. Margarita is obviously tequila, lime, like an orange liqueur or agave. So it's a close sort of riff on this. I haven't used any orange liqueur. I haven't used any agave nectar. We've used a couple of different ingredients that I'll show you in a second. But this is absolutely, it's so delicious, delicate, floral. Strawberry and rose balances so beautifully together. Now, as always, recently, I throw the names of my cocktails out to my little legends community, my members. Thank you so much. They've not disappointed. They've really upped their games now after I gave them banter last time. First up, and this was so close. I really love this. Ashley came up with the rose to my Reposado. Like that. That's really good. I might even sort of change these up after a few weeks because these will be going in my cocktail book, which gets published later this year, August time. So Georgie's gone for Arriba. I like that. Ross went for, I can't even say it properly, the Matador's Muleta. I'm going to go for Muleta. It's kind of the name for the red cape. I haven't looked at the red cape is, but obviously most people will know what that is. I haven't got a clue, but there we go. Trevor Rose came up with Tequila Rose. I didn't go with that purely because in the UK, Tequila Rose means something different. And the UK people will know exactly what I mean there. And Andy's gone with Strawberry Rome. But Trevor V, I've gone for you. Brand new legend, the Rabid Bandito. I like that at the moment. That is a strong favourite for me, but Ashley was so close with the rose to my Reposado. I don't know. Who knows? We might change it up. Right, so let's run you through the ingredients for this. I'm going for my Reposado Tequila Cazcabel. As you can see, I've got a brand new bottle now. Good new label. We are fully modernised. So Cazcabel Reposado Tequila. I've got my strawberry liqueur complete with pourer, because if I don't use the pourer, the little strawberries come out. I've got a rose syrup here because someone asked for a rose, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to crack out a few more rose cocktails there. Some Monin rose, got some lime juice, and I've got some of my foamers there, so it's kind of loosely based on a margarita. Right, so the first ingredient I'm going to go for is my tequila. I flipping love this. One of my favourite tequilas actually at the moment. Reps, I really love it. It just means rested, kind of aged. It's a different way of saying aged, but it just kind of means rested. We're going for 60 ml double bubble of tequila. The next ingredient I'm going for is my strawberry liqueur. Love this stuff. Can you see the little strawberries in there? You have to use the pourer, otherwise the strawberries come out. I'm going for 15 ml, half an ounce of strawberry liqueur. And then I'm going for some rose syrup. Again, lovely, vibrant rose. I love my Turkish Delight, so this goes down an absolute storm with me. 15 ml, half an ounce of rose syrup. And strawberry and rose, of course that works. And now I'm just going for some lime juice. I'm going 30 ml, 1 ounce of lime juice. And then my final ingredient is just my my foamers, my Stella Bump foamers. And all we need for this, these are magicals. I just need 8 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One for luck. Oh, you have to do one for luck. Right, so we're just gonna now dry shake this for 5 or 6 seconds just to get the foam like that. Oh, that looks good. And then we're just going to chill it down. So we're going to ice the cocktail up and give it a damn good shake for, you know, 10 to 12 seconds. You know the drill. I tell you what, the aromas. Oh, strawberry rose, that's so good. The glass I'm going to use, I'm just going to use this rocks glass. I'm going to put some fresh ice in there, maybe 3 cubes, that'll do for now. And then I'm just going to double strain. I like double straining when I've used the foamers. Gives you that nice kind of silky smooth feel. Right, and then just to garnish, I've done my admin this week. And my very favourite fruit and veg man, Mr. Neil from Cambridge Fruit and Veg. I've got some flowers. And look at that. That is my garnish. How cool does that look? So if you want even more tequila cocktails, dive into one of those videos or playlist popping up on the screen right there. As always, if you like the recipe or the flower, give me a big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.